Good morning. It's afternoon, but good morning to you. And look what's out. Can you see that? It's called the sun. The sun. And blue skies. And fluffy white clouds. And I just got done with my interview for esthetician. And so it went well. We actually ended up talking for like an hour and a half longer than we wanted to. But yeah. Anyway, and so now I'm at the gym. And here's my, what do you call it? My Goodwill outfit. So I got just this black shirt and then just the zip up like sweater. It has pockets in it, which is nice. And then I got these shoes. Aren't they cute? They were only $9 and they're really comfortable. And then just a pair of black pants. But I'll show you. A pair of black pants. OTD, what is it? Outfit of the day? Outfit of the day. OOTD. OOTD. So behind on the times. Okay, well, I'm at the gym. I go in the gym, stop and get propane and get a couple things, and then I'm going to change, and then we're going to head to HINCKLEY to the campsite that I'm going to. I'm going to see if I can find some wood because I really want to make a campfire tonight. So let's see what happens. But even in a better mood, I got to talk beauty for an hour and a half, and the sun's out, and I'm going into the gym. Perfect day so far. Let's see how the rest of it goes. Okay, see you soon. I'm here. Isn't this beautiful? I'll show you. Oh, sorry, it's another sign. But okay. Let's see, 4 miles. What we run into. Sure was a pretty drive. Park headquarters, 5 miles. Okay. This is pretty. I am going to the right, but there is a lodge right there, which I think is really pretty. It's so pretty here. Okay, let's go find my spot. Okay, that's my campsite is down that way, but I keep looking how pretty the sun is. Keep looking over here, and there's like a drop off. And I don't know if it's the river down there. Let's see. Nobody's around here. Nobody else camps when it's this cold. Oh yeah. I know there's a trail right by. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. So tomorrow I am going to go hiking. All right, let's go see the campsite. Kids, we're here. So I'm like the only one here, for sure. I bought some wood. It was a self-check-in. Nobody was there when I came. I had already registered for the spot, but they had firewood. So I bought some firewood, and I wish it wasn't so windy. It would be so much nicer. So here's Shirley, and that's where we're parked. And I'm going to turn the camera around and show you our view. Look at this. And so, I don't know where that trail leads. That looks like a bike path, huh? So that's where I just drove in. Look at blue sky and sun. I'm grateful for that. It's supposed to be like, I think 50 tomorrow and partly sunny. I just hope, I don't know what's going on with the wind all over. I mean, since I took off on my trip. But here is a sign that there's trails. River Bluff and paved trail. Oh, I see, that's a trail. But I saw this bridge. So I want to go look at it quick. Hiking. Camping Trail. This is cute, isn't it? Hiking Club Trail. So tomorrow we shall do some hiking. And there's the river down there. Can you see it? What a beautiful spot. Alright. Let's, I don't know. Maybe I should see if I can start the fire now. I'll give it the good Girl Scout try. Alright, here we go. Let's see if I can do this. It's pretty windy. I tried to get some dry leaves. Do you see that? I don't have that much wood. I have one piece left. Let's see. I think I'll put that out. Oh, there we go. Thank goodness there's still a lot of leaves here. Oh, sorry, I'm kind of wonky, I think. Or maybe it's this. So after these, I only have this left. But I'll take a fire. Whew. My first fire! Fire! Okay, my fire didn't work, so I looked it up on YouTube, and I think it's called a bridge fire, where you put the sticks underneath and then just get it started. So let's see if it stays. Okay, hopefully that starts it. Okay, so far so good. Guess I shouldn't sit so close to it, huh? Now this is how van life should be done. It's so quiet here, and I'm all by myself. The sun's out, and I have the fire going. Where's my badge? My Girl Scout campfire badge. I want to know. So this is dinner, a salad, and I'm having it out by the fire. But that's my last log. So I take it, I'll be in the van pretty soon because it's pretty cold out here. Good morning. Now this is what you want to wake up to in van life. But I opened the curtain and there's something back there. And I can't even tell what it is. It's walking around. I wish it would come out again. Well, if it comes out, I'll show you. I can't even figure out what it is. I don't think it's a bear. It looked like a big turkey. I don't know. So I cleaned everything up at my campsite, and I was so isolated there that I thought I would come here to start on the trail. And we are going to another beautiful day. Yay! We're going to take the steps to the river. So let's get to stepping. Wow, that's pretty, isn't it? And just so you know, Hinckley is really known. There's a casino here. So people come to Hinckley to go to Grand Casino. I'm not a gambler, so that's not my thing. I passed it though on the way here. So I take it, those are the steps. Let's see what this says up here. A conservation legacy This pristine view in front of you would look much different without Walter Elfmandel's passion and tenacity. As Minnesota Attorney General, U.S. Senator, Vice President, and an engaged citizen, he has spent a lifetime advocating for the protection of natural resources. Nice. I hope we don't ever lose land like this. We've lost enough of it. Okay, let's go down those steps. Look at that tree. I wonder what that growth is on there. Oh my gosh. What that looks like. I wonder what that is. Does anybody know? It's the only tree like that has those big growths on it. Let me know. Living in a van down by the river. Wouldn't be a bad thing. Makes it sound like it's bad. It's not a bad thing. I'd love to live in my van down by the river. Oh, look at that. There's this little creek here. And then it flows and comes out there. They have canoe rentals and kayak. And it's where you take off. Oh, sorry. Oh. I could see any fish. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? That's right. It's silence. So this is the St. Croix National Scenic Riverway. And we're in Hinckley, Minnesota. And so it says the Namakagon and St. Croix rivers make up this 255-mile national park. Primitive campsites dot the shoreline, allowing visitors to plan multiple day trips. And then it gives you a map of everything. Wanted. Minnesota, Wisconsin DNR is conducting tagging project to evaluate the sturgeon population. Okay. If you catch a tagged fish, do not remove the tag. Write in or call. Good to know. Look at this. Yeah, how beautiful it would be to have a service here in front of the river. Or just speak. Wow. Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to get through this thing called life. Let's do it. We're gonna take a walk down the Sundance Trail. The Sundance Trail is beautiful, and just in case I run into any bears, I have my horn. Supposed to scare them away. But I wonder if they're still hibernating, because it's still pretty cold. I don't know. Hopefully those are things I'll find out
as I get more into camping and nature. Like I said, we weren't much campers when we were younger. My dad built a cabin. It was more like a house. It had like 4 bedrooms and we had a VCR. And it was on a lake. But yeah, I really love just being out in nature and the quietness of it. And I know people have commented that when it's quiet, then I'm whispering. And it's weird. It's like being in the library, you know? If it's quiet, you feel like you should be quiet. So try and get better at that. And I'm going to try and get better at getting to the point and talking less, and just, you know, it takes time. Get to be a better videographer, because that's what I want to do. And look at this, there's like a big opening here, a big clearing, and then that takes you up towards the yurt, and then there's a little cabin right there. Okay, I'm gonna go enjoy this beautiful walk, and I'll check back with you a little later.
Okay, before I let you go, class in session, let's learn a little bit about Hinckley and where I'm staying right now. So Hinckley, Minnesota was incorporated in 1885. The population, it has a population of 1,861 as of July 1st, 2021. So not that many people live here, but it's beautiful. The first railroad arrived in Hinckley in 1869, and so began a logging and railroad expansion. The town was known as Central Station by the railroads because of its position halfway between the port of Duluth and Superior, as well as the Twin Cities of Minneapolis and St. Paul. And so there you go. Your brain just got a little more knowledge today. So, all right, well, I'm going to leave you here because I'm going to hit the road, and you go out and make an adventure, no matter how big or how small. You don't have to sell everything and move into a van. I already did that. But you can go camping close to your house, or even just go for a walk at a park close to your house, or even just around your block. That's an adventure. And let's see, go call someone you love. And as Joy says, tell them that you love them. Go donate blood. It's an easy way to save a life. And don't you forget your magic. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Before I go, I wanted to show you a couple things that I forgot to mention before. So one of my followers, subscribers, sent me this. It's so beautiful. It said, "You make the world a beautiful, kinder place." And that's where I'm hanging it. Isn't that pretty? I said it's kind of symbolic, like a butterfly. Like I'm spreading my wings now. And when I showed you the, what is it? It's like a towel that my friend John needle pointed for me. I just opened it because I've had so many boxes here, but I'm amazed. I'm going to show you. So I thought, I mean, that must have been hard enough to do like my logo. And then I just opened it and look at what he did. It says, "Good morning. You are magic." Oh my gosh, look at that van. Go make an adventure. Just be in the moment. And call someone you love. I think I'm gonna have to get that framed and put it up somewhere here. That's very special to me. John was one of the ones at the Clothes Optional, and me, him, and Keith are all meeting in November for a reunion. So I'm excited to see those guys again. Okay, well, just wanted to throw that in because I was flabbergasted when I saw this. And I love the butterfly. Oh, do you see that? The sun's out. Sun's out, guns out.